Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Tediver123 and this is my new bike check. Alright, starting from the top, I have Colt grips. Can't really do this right because I'm using my computer. I do not have my camera right now. They are actually surprisingly good, but I feel like other Colt grips are better. I have just Colt bar ends that came with the grips. I have S&M Hooter grips, 30 inches. I don't know the height though. The width is 30. Actually, it might be like 30.1. I have a salt top load stem with Sunday forks. If you can't see them, hold on. Sunday forks with a red stolen peg and a sleeve stolen silencer plastic right there with the demolition. I don't know what kind. Demolition peg. Rim is a Primo N4 female. All stock right there. That whole rim is stock for the rim itself when I bought it. Tire is a Demolition Momentum 20 20 and 2.35 width. Going down, we have a Kink Dutchman 2 frame in black with a demolition seat and a Kink stump, super stump. Pedals are, God, this is annoying. Are Odyssey Twisted PCs, bit cranks. My sprocket, you can't see it, but it is a demolition. My chain is a KMC because I snapped my shadow. Let's see here. Can't see this either, but tires, same thing as the front, just smaller. Back rim is a Primo as well. It's specially laced. One of my friends painted it though, so it kind of looks stupid. But, and I got another demo peg in the back. And I think that's it, other than my headset, but I don't know what kind of headset it is. All I know is that it was an expensive one, so thank you for watching. And that is my bike check.